Hello, my dear children. Good morning, all. I hope all of you are fine at your home. This is our fourth video of chapter 1. Let's write a letter. So, in our last class, we have studied how to prepare a greeting card. For that, we have studied how to insert a frame. In today's class, we have to do an activity that is greeting cards in new forms. We are going to prepare the greeting cards in Malayalam. So, let's see how to do that. So in this chapter we are going to discuss activity 6, that is greeting cards in new form. In our last class we have done activity 5, preparing a greeting card. In order to prepare a greeting card, first of all we have to insert a frame. So we have studied how to insert the frame in our last class, and today's class there is only one topic to discuss, that is activity 6, greeting cards in new forms. We are going to prepare the greeting card in Malayalam. So let's see how to do it. So let's start our activity. Greeting cards in new forms. In order to prepare greeting cards, first of all we have to insert frame that we have studied in our previous class. How did we insert a frame? For that we have to go to the insert menu in the toolbar. From that we have to select frame. Now a window appears. Here we have to give the measurements of the frame, that is height and width of the frame. I am giving 12 centimeters as width and 10 centimeters as height as given in our textbook. After giving the measurements, we have to click on this OK button. Now a frame is created. In order to select this frame, we can click on any one of the four sides of this frame. See, when I click on this side, the frame is selected. We can see many small squares around this frame. Now, in order to adjust the size of this frame, we can click on any one of these small squares and drag it inwards or outwards. All these things we have studied in our previous class. So, now a frame is created. We can prepare the greeting card. We'll prepare this greeting card in Malayalam. We all are familiar with Malayalam typewriting. So how to type inside this frame? For that, we have to click inside this frame. Then the cursor comes here inside the frame. Now we can start typing. In order to type Malayalam, we have to change the layout. For that, click on this arrow mark. Then select Malayalam. Now we can type Malayalam. This greeting card is to give to mothers who are coming for the Mother's Day celebration in the school. So we can type Ammakke Aadaravode in Malayalam. This is our activity. So let's type it. Now, do you know which all letters are on which all keys? For that, we can click on this arrow mark. At last option we can see show keyboard layout. When we click on that, a keyboard layout is seen in the screen. With the help of this, we can type Malayalam. Now I am going to type Ammakke Aadaravode in this frame. Now I have typed Ammakke Aadaravode. Now we can change the font of this text. For that, we have to select this text. How we can select this text? Bring the mouse pointer at the starting of the text. Click the mouse and drag it till the end of the text. Now the text has been selected. We can change the font from here. There are many Malayalam fonts available. We'll select Rajana. We can increase the font size by clicking here and we can select 18. Now this text is at the left side of this frame. How can we move it to the center? For that, we have to select the text And we have alignment tools here. This is left alignment. Currently it is in left alignment position. Then we have center alignment, right alignment, and justify tool. We can select center alignment. Now the text comes to the center of the frame. So this is our today's activity. I think all of you have understood the activity. How did we do that? First of all, we have to insert a frame. For that, we have to select insert menu. Then from that, we have to select frame. When we click on frame, a window appears. There we have to give the measurements of the frame, that is height and width. After giving the measurements, we have to click on the OK button. Then a frame appears. Then after that, click inside the frame. Then the cursor comes inside the frame and we can start typing. In order to type Malayalam, we have to click on this arrow mark at the top portion and we have to select the language Malayalam. Then we also have a keyboard layout option here. Click on that. A keyboard layout will appear on the screen. With the help of this, we can type Malayalam. So our activity was to type Ammakke Adaravode in the frame. So we have typed it with the help of that keyboard layout. So this is our activity. Now let's summarize what we have studied in our class. We have done the activity greeting cards in new forms. In this we have typed Malayalam in the greeting card. So how did we do that? What are the steps? Step 1 is adjust the layout in Malayalam. Then step 2, type Ammakke Adaravode. Then step 3, use the font Rajana. So in this manner we have prepared a Malayalam greeting card. So this was our today's activity. I hope all of you have understood the activity. In today's class we have learned how to prepare the greeting card in Malayalam. All of you are familiar with Malayalam typewriting. So I hope all of you have understood the activity that we have done today. You have to write down the notes and steps of the activities in your notebook. So see you in next class. Bye.